Hello, Dad. This is Dap. I'm so glad they're doing fine now. I think it's a lot better. Did you see that today? There, and Jerry is ready to pick, but I don't want to pick today because I'm going to church and I can't cook that either, so I'm not going to pick today. There you go, Daddy. Look at that. That 1, 3, and there. Look, they have 3 fruits. 3, Daddy, 3. So it's a lot to have rain for many days. It's a lot better. And look at that. There's some already vegetables in there. They produce already vegetables. Look. The other one. We're gonna go. You see that? That's a huge one. Yeah, it gets better. It's getting better, Dad. It's getting better, Dad. Well, we're not gonna pick today because we can't cook either. And look at that. Look at this, Dad. How many is that in one? Look. It's a blessing, Daddy. It's a blessing. It's a blessing, Dad. They looks fine now. I hope they're gonna produce lots of vegetables too. Okay. So yeah, that's it.